To configure your Santander credit card activation, follow these steps. First, ensure you have your credit card and other required documents ready. You will need your credit card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your social security number or tax identification number. Next, visit the Santander website and click on the credit card activation link. You can also call the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your credit card or on the back of your card. If you prefer to activate your card online, you will be prompted to log into your online banking account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Once you are logged in, select the option to activate your credit card and follow the prompts to enter your card information and other required details. You will then be asked to create a PIN for your credit card, which you will use for cash withdrawals and other transactions. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After you have completed the activation process, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been activated. You can then start using your card for purchases, cash withdrawals, and other transactions. It is essential to sign the back of your credit card as soon as you receive the confirmation to prevent anyone else from using it. Best practices for securing your credit card include keeping your card and PIN in a safe place, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Santander immediately. You should also avoid sharing your credit card information or PIN with anyone, as this can increase the risk of identity theft and unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure your Santander credit card activation quickly and securely, and start enjoying the benefits and rewards of your new credit card. Remember to always keep your credit card and PIN safe, and to contact Santander if you have any questions or concerns about the activation process.